Hello, my name is Anton. I represent Kone.VC. We are making ads inside LLM and AI. And in this video, I'm sharing with you ChatGPT Ads, ad account, our settings, how you can create advertising from scratch in ChatGPT Ads, and my things and my insights about these ads. First of all, I want to share with you a little bit more about our company. Kone.VC, we are making ad rotator. We are make ads inside LLM more efficiency. Why? Because we know everything about user's intent. We know everything about settings inside ads in AI, about the conversation, the hints, and so on. And we know everything about conversation on our advertisers place. And we next mix it and make it a lot of hypotheses and test it in automation. This is how Kone.VC or our client start advertising. We find more conversation and insights and test it in automatic process. And after it, conversion rate for our clients go to the moon. Okay, let's go to the ChatGPT ad account. Here is how it looks ChatGPT ads. It's a so simple advertising like in 90s, super cutie banner. We have headline, we have description, and we have a little logo inside. And let's start to create advertising inside. And we push the plus button, create campaign. First of all, it's a campaign name. Next one, campaign type. Here is two things. First one, it's a standard. It's what it's mean. We pasted here one link to the one directory, right? And next one, it's a product fit. Here is, it's an idea for promote e-commerce, like online shop and so on. I prefer here is standard version. Next one, it's objectives. Here is three things. First of all, it's reach. In reach setting, we pay for CPM, cost per million, for the views. Second one, it's a clicks. Here is we pay for the click. It's an attribution model. I think it's most things we pay for views, because here is how more tech technology and ad tech technology works. And third one, it's a conversions. We pay for leads and sales and so on. In this ad account, it's not approved, right? I prefer clicks. Next one, it's locations. Here is the first little problem, because ChatGPT start advertising, I think, half of year, not a lot time. And here is we can find what's area where ChatGPT ads allowed. Here is English-speaking countries, and additionally it's Japanese, and now we are waiting for Latin America, like Brazil and Mexico. In the same situation, and this is a big and important information, you can open your ChatGPT ad account only from these countries too. For example, if you are from Europe, it's can allow to open an account. You need your entity in these countries. I prefer United States. For example, it's a virtual company in Delaware. If you have it, you can open your account without any problem. And one more point here. If your company in the United States, you want to testing ChatGPT ads, feel free to ask me to the Kone.VC. Go to our website, start advertising in AI, and book the meetings with me. And we can communicate with you. I share with you a lot of insights about advertising here and so on. And after it, you can understand correctly how you can do it. And with our technology, you can do it more efficiency. Okay, next one. It's a budget. Here we have two options. It's a daily budget or campaign total. I prefer daily budget. Minimum is $25 per day. Next one, it's conversion events. Here is we can choose conversion or create new conversion. Conversion, it's a good thing for making more efficiency from the ads, and I highly recommend to create it. Here is the list of types for conversions events on your website, what you can do. Everything about e-commerce, everything about online business like leads, page view, and so on. Please choose it what you prefer. Next one, it's a name. Third one, it's a data source and the conversion window. Go to the next. The next one, it's start of the date, and next one, yeah, go to the ad group. Ad group is so simple. Here is we can name ad group and the bid for our things. The minimum is I think $2 per click, but you see may not deliver not a lot of audience. If we change it to the $3, it's a strong delivery. It's okay. In the CPM, the average CPM around $30 per million views. Yeah, for example. If you check it like what's different in the Meta advertising or a Google, now ChatGPT cheaper because it's not a lot of advertisers, not a lot of competitors, but you need to choose what product you want to advertise. Second one, it's a ad URL, and here is more stronger advice. Now it works like one ad account for one company. What it mean? It mean you can advertise only a website what you make in on the start, right? When you create campaign and after submit your ad account. I mean, you can work it with the landing page, for example, Kone.VC/111, one landing page, and next one, it works very well. But if you want to use your subdomain, for example, ads.Kone.VC, it's not allowed. You can start advertising. Please understand it because here is it's an important question. And next one, here is the main things. It's a context hints. This is what we are doing in our product in the Kone.VC. We are working with from the previous side with the goals, with the conversions. And here is we're working with the context hint. Here is our target for our audience. Here is we can work with the three types. First one, you can work with the keywords. Right? And next one, next keywords. It's like Google Ads. Second one, you can work with intent. I want to buy. Yep. And the third one, it's a context. Our clients is. And next, you describe your ideal customer profile and their needs. This is three options what you can use it. And yeah, basically you can start without context hint and start working for a wide audience without any additional things. Yep. The last one, it's advertising. It's here's the name. It's a URL for your advertising. And next one, you have only three options to work with your media. First one, it's a headline, and highly recommend to use your call to action and describe your company here. Next one, it's your description, when you have 100 types here for everything. And third one, it's an image, but it's super huge banner and not a lot information inside. What I prefer, I'm going to see ads inside AI, your GPT ads provider. And the last one, it's like this ChatGPT for free. And here is how it works. If our potential audience like interests in ads inside AI, ChatGPT ads, and so on, it's click here. And next one, it's advertising. And the last one page, it's review our ads, and you can start from scratch. Yep. Awesome. Let's go through other tabs what we have here. a little bit more information about analytics. Here is what we have. We can find impressions, we can find clicks, conversions for this advertising for this period, is this filter. Next one, it's a CTR. Second one, it's a average CPC, average CPM, and only what we have there. Yep. No additional things, and you can work only with it. Okay, go to the next steps. In the tools, you can find the change history and can understand who and what changed here. Next one is a conversion page when you can add a new data source and conversion event. Highly recommend to do it because here is based our efficiency for our ads. Next one, it's a feeds. You can add your feed to your products and highly recommend for eCommerce. Next page, it's a billing, it's an overview, it's activity for your ad spend, it's documents about your entity and so on, and the settings about the payments. And the last one, it's two settings. It's information about our company. If you want to change everything, for example, new websites, you can do it here in the edit. And APK, for example, we like a provider for ChatGPT Ads. We want to get your APK to change automatically change your ads and so on. And the last one, it's users, where you can add additional users for your account, and we want this information too. One mark, if you are agency and want to start advertising for your clients, you can do only with access like a team, because when you submit your ad account, you can submit only one ad account for one company, one website. Subdomains not allowed. In this stage, nobody knows what's changed in the near future, but now it works like this. I think it's all what I want to share with you, and here is a little bit more insights from our clients. I highly recommend to start advertising for the wide audience. What it's mean? It's mean we are working with the e-commerce, we are working with the edtech, educational technology, and online schools. We are working for the global products because we can find the relevant audience inside with a good conversion rate to the leads, to the sales, and so on. But if you are B2B and want to find more stronger audience from the specific area, it may be a little problem for you because you don't have impressions and the leads from this little area, and I highly recommend to start advertising for more wider audience. But if you have the entity in the United States or Canada or in other countries, I highly recommend to start the testing because it's no minimum budget. You can start from $25 per day and try to find your relevant audience. I know now it's super popular geo. It's optimization for LLM, but I highly recommend to start advertising in LLM because now it's a blue ocean. You can find a lot of audience here because it's no advertisers, not a lot of your competitors inside, and not a lot of ads inside LLM. My name is Anton. Highly to recommend to work with me on the Kone.VC. You can book an appointment with me and discuss about your product. We can start a pilot project for your company, and the next one we can scale your ads to the moon. I hope this video is useful for you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, everybody.